Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So before I start today's video, I just want to tell you guys where I get my fabrics from, and it is from August Fabrics. You can check them out on Instagram. Let's get started. So these are the things that you are going to need. So first, you are going to need your kente cloth, and the length of this kente cloth is 72 inches, which is 2 yards, and the width is 22 inches for both. And you're going to need shorts under your wrap because it's short and you don't want to show too much. And here are the beads that you're going to need, and you're going to need a hairnet and this band. I got it from the fabric store. And here you have this Ashanti local slippers. It's called Chow Chow. Very heavy. So we are going to start with the hairstyling. So you can tie your head with a band, or you can cornrow your hair. If you have short hair, perfect. So you're just gonna put the net on your head and tie the band around it. So just tie a knot at the back and make sure it's secured and comfortable, and just tuck it in. So for the wrapping of the cloth, you can tie the midpoint with an elastic band, or you can cut a piece of fabric and tie a knot in the middle, or you can just wrap it straight depending on how you want it, but this is the look that I am going for. So you're going to wrap it around your boobs, and you're going to tie a knot at the back. You have to make sure it's very secured and comfortable. So once you feel it's comfortable enough, you can go ahead and adjust the front. You can go ahead and secure your notch at the back. It is completely okay to have the notch at your back. You don't have to worry about that. So after the top is secured, we are going to move on to the bottom. So with the bottom, again, do not forget to wear your shorts because it's very short. And we're gonna go ahead and wrap it around the waist. I wish I was doing this on a human figure because this thing was so stiff. But yeah, so you're gonna go ahead and wrap it like I'm doing. If you don't get it the first time, you can watch the video a couple of times to get the whole thing. So you're gonna hold that side and wrap the other end and tie a knot at the back. Make sure the knot is secured and tight. you can go ahead and adjust it. It looks a little bit weird on the waist side, and that is because it is on a dress form, but when you do it on yourself, it's gonna look way better. And trust me, the knot is secured, so just make sure you're comfortable in it and you're good to go. So we're gonna move on to the beads. So that is the first bead. The beads, all the beads don't have to match, so don't worry about it matching. But guys, these things are very heavy, so you need about 2 or 3 should do for you, because and for the hands, you can use as many as you want. For 3, it's up to you. Oh guys, do not look at my nails, it's horrible. So yeah, here's the chow chow. So there you have it guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Oh, and that's me dancing on my birthday. Ghana girl, Ghana princess.